Hello students, I am Dr. Meenakshi Mahur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Samliaji Government College, Mandafya, Chittorgarh. Today my topic is Pearl Culture. In this Pearl Culture, we will include history, pearl types and the formation of pearl. First, we will see pearl, history of pearl culture. For the first time, the idea of pearl industry was evoked in Japan, which was carried out in the Bay of Japan, which is located at the south coast of Honshu. Actually, in Japan, pearl culturists feel difficulty due to unfavorable climatic condition there. The initial success in Japan was achieved in 1893 by Kokichi Mikimoto. He is considered as the Pearl King and the father of pearl culture industry. In India, the technological breakthrough in pearl culture was achieved in 1973 and it was done by Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. It is located in Tuticorin. And a second, which is equally significant breakthrough, was achieved in 1981 and which was through the development of controlled production of pearl oyster in hatchery. Now, what is pearl? Pearl is a white, highly shining, globular concretion found within the shell of an oyster. Oyster is a kind of shellfish. It is also called as a moti or muktafal. Actually, it is told that it is one of the rarest gem and was previously imagined as the tears of moon. But the reality is far away than imaginary flight of birds. Best quality of pearl is linga pearl. Composition of pearl, it has water, organic matter, calcium carbonate and residue. Water is of about 2.4%. The percentage of organic matter is 3.5 to 5.9. The percentage of calcium carbonate is a 90% and residue is 0.1 to 0.8%. So mainly pearl is a form of calcium carbonate. It has two main layers, nacre layer and conchial layer. See over here, nacre layer and conchial layer. And this is a big nucleus. Types of pearls. There are many types of pearl. As I told you before, linga pearl is the best quality pearl and it is obtained from the marine oysters. Seed pearl. Seed pearl are the small pearls. Baroque pearls, they are spherical pearls formed inside the body. Blister pearls, they are attached to the shell and they are half spherical in shape. Oriental pearl, they are true pearl. They are with great luster, beauty and smooth surface. Natural pearl, they are pearls obtained from pearl oyster of deep oceans. Cultured pearl obtained from cultivated species of pearl oyster. So these are types of pearl. Now pearl oyster, in which pearl is formed. They are sedentary animals and in India they are found along the coast of Kanyakumari and in the Gulf of Kutch. Actually, high quality pearl are obtained from pearl oyster of genus Pinctada of mollusk. Freshwater bivalve lamellidans is also used in artificial pearl culture. So this is a bivalve lamellidans. Here it is stomach, it is mouth, it is gill, it is mantle, it is a hard shell, it is anus, it is a muscle, and this is a heart. And where is pearl? Pearl is here. Now, what are the pearl producing animals? Pinctada vulgaris, Pinctada fucata, Pinctada camnitizi, Pinctada margaritifera, Pinctada anemioides, Pinctada atro perpetuity, Haliotis, Mytilus, Placuna placenta, Placuna maxima, Unio margatifera. And these are marine mollusks. So these are pearl producing animals. Now how is pearl formed? There are several steps. See, this is a bivalve. It is a exterior shell. In beneath it there is a prismatic layer. This is, and this is a mantle. And here is a nacreous layer. Now how is pearl formed? Actually, in it, foreign particle accidentally enters into the space of bivalve, where between the mantle and the shell of the oyster, and get adheres to the mantle. This is the mantle. Okay. This is a mantle. In this diagram, this is a mantle. Now, mantle epithelium encloses it like sac and start to secrete concentric layer of nacre around it as a defensive mechanism. So this is a foreign body, this is a mantle, and mantle epithelium encloses it like a sac. See. And start secreting concentric layer around it as a defensive mechanism. Nacre is secreted continuously by the epithelial layer of the mantle. This is the epithelial layer of mantle and deposited around the foreign particle. Over a period of time, the formation of repeated layers of calcium carbonate makes a hard and glossy pearl. See. Pearl enlarges and the oyster dies, and the shell is then carefully opened and the pearl is manually separated and graded. So this is a layer of nacre. This is foreign body. Now it is a pearl. See, this is the pearl. Pearl means foreign body, layer of nacre and mantle epithelium. The nacre layer is the innermost layer formed of calcium carbonate, and it is also known as mother of the pearl. It consists of alternating layer of calcium carbonate and conchylium arranged parallel to the surface. This nacreous layer is secreted by the entire outer surface of the mantle, while other layers are secreted only by the edge of the mantle. So this is the whole process of pearl formation. Thank you.